You can earn if you want. You can find friends. Upload your memories here. Only for earnings. But many people, working on YouTube, they earn lots of money. Oh my goodness, I am sleepy already. My pillow and my blankets calm me. I like to sleep actually because this is smooth and this pillow is smooth and my TD is smooth and I have my blanket is so smooth. My gosh, I love sleeping. It feels sometimes it's so very happy. If you have large channel, then you should monetize it. Yes. It needs 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in order to monetize your channel. But the hardest thing to get is the WH. It's the 4,000 watch hour. It's difficult more than the 1,000 subscribers. But it's easy when you have more viewers, more views. When you have lots of views, you can easily get to 4,000 subscribers, of course. Because it's just, YouTube just give 1 year in order to monetize your channel. If you reach 1 year and then you did not monetize your channel yet, your WH will go back to 0. But the subscribers will remain, but the watch hours will return to 0. So if you want to monetize your channel, you should complete the 4,000 watch hours before the year. Hello, honey. Hello, Sintong. My goodness, I miss you. Where have you been? It's been a long time, Sintong. Yes. It's been a long time we don't see each other, but now see now. Support my channel, friends. Subscribe, like, comment. I'm done. I'm done subscribing your channel last time. You can connect with Greg. And also Mama Ailey. The one that nakapin you can subscribe. Just leave a comment to her video so that she can visit you. How are you, honey? I'm good. But I am sleepy at this moment. From this moment, life has been. How are you? I'm good. I'm sleepy. So, iwan ko yung live ko dyan because Tisha is sleepy and I am a little bit dizzy at the same time because Tisha is drinking. I don't know. I love to sleep when I am a little bit dizzy. So sometimes I can sleep when I'm overthinking of something. Overthinking. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines.